Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis several times last week, and the main level I talked about quite a bit was down here at the 46-cent mark right there, or not 46 cents, excuse me, $46 mark. And once again, the price didn't quite hit it this morning, but I think we can all agree it got within the ballpark. So right now, that's currently underway is what we would call a triple bottom pattern, where you have one set of bottoms, and then another set of bottoms, and three times for the triple bottom. And it's already underway, so it's not like this is the beginning of anything. As far as now, if you realize and understood patterns and paid attention to them, then yeah, you might have very well caught this earlier on in the morning. But as of right now, the pattern, like I said, I'm not saying it's not done, but it's not like this is any sort of early part. My point is that what the chart is doing right now is presenting a triple bottom bounce that is well underway. And the question just becomes, okay, Clay, yeah, I get it. It's already underway. So how can we gauge, if it's going to continue to build, or if this pattern is just going to roll back over? And really the main level to me that really stands out that I'm curious about going forward is right here at this area at slightly up above 48. So let's call it 48.15. If you go back to the history of the chart, you can see this area right here was an area that rejected it. Now, the last time the price did get above it, nice little pop to the upside. Problem is the price fell back below it, not that, further later. And then that level, bounce went right back to acting as resistance before going back there. And you can see that once again, the price right around 48.15 is acting as resistance. And this is not a great discovery on my part. I assure you a whole lot of people are watching 48.15. And I make that point because when a whole lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements. So 48.15 is definitely that level where if the price can break above there, it would not be shocking, to see the price make a run up to that, 49.50 mark, if not even higher than that. But if this level cannot hold up, then ultimately would not be shocking at all to see the price roll back over to at least $46. So let's see what happens with it. Good news is the week is young, still 4 days left. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.